600 litre favourite, 800 litre favourite, 802 SS Gigant, 800 self-loader, self-unloader, 600 self-unloader, hand port for emptying, but we normally will use the complete bucket pivots from the hinge point here. The complete bucket pivots out and it can be used as an extended chute, not just for loading but also for unloading. The self-loader has a sprung side wiper, side scraper system. So, I don't know if you can see that blade. So, as it goes around, this, if it comes under pressure, it can spring in the loading mechanism. Self-loading system for each machine. Each machine they have a different size loading bucket. Takes one scoop normally to load it. On the 400 self-loader, the smallest version, we have one ram to close the door. On the 600, the 800 and the 1000, we have two rams to close the door. Massive gearbox driving it, two-stage reduction. Very hard wearing drum. It's a microfine alloy steel, extremely wear resistant. Can be picked up on the tractor or by a teleporter, all-terrain forklift. It's very simple to attach a hydraulic motor system on here to drive it. It can be ordered factory fit or it can be retrofitted at a later stage. Hand port just put on here temporarily. So if you're filling out into a wheelbarrow, or into buckets, you can use the hand port. Normally the unloading will be done with the self-loading bucket. This is an 800 self-loader here. 600 and 800 would be my biggest sellers in Ireland. 800 you're into a gutsy tractor to pick it up. You're probably talking something like a 6-cylinder tractor for that. Upper end 4-cylinder for the 600 litre. It's an 800 litre top loader. Again, on each of them there's a watering system on the top, so you can, it's a BSP fitting here, so you can open that and put in a pipe. Do a quick attach system. Some people weld on a little pipe. Here's an 800 favourite, a common machine that we would sell. Don't know if you can see the watering system on it. There's a dribble bar running across. You can again put on a water fitting and add in the water as when you want. Quarter turn tap, knock it off. Side scraper on the top loading models. 600 favourite, another common machine for me to sell. The self-loading model pivots the same way, for access for service maintenance, but for washing and for maintenance with a self-loader you can just open up the back door and wash through the back door. Generally you can wash a little from the top. The top loaders then have to be washed from the top, so it's normally nearly easier to climb up on something beside it and wash down. So many attachments, spring and a paddle, kind of the main wearing parts, operator's manual,